Most people working a normal job will never retire early, and it has almost nothing to do with how much they earn. That sounds harsh, but there's one number, a number most people have never calculated, that determines whether you build wealth or just stay busy your whole life. It's called your savings rate, and in the next 3 minutes, you'll see exactly what it is, why it matters more than your salary, and the simple formula that can cut years, maybe decades, off your path to financial independence. Here's what most people on an average salary believe: earn more and you'll be fine. And it sounds logical until you look at what actually happens, because income alone doesn't build wealth. The real question is how much of it you actually keep. Meet Alex, $120,000 a year, nice car, big house, 2 holidays a year. Alex saves about 5% of take-home pay. Now meet Sam, $70,000 a year, used car, modest home, 2 kids. Sam saves 25% every single month, consistently, without fail. Who retires first? Sam. By over a decade, on $50,000 less income per year. That is the power of your savings rate, the single number that controls how fast you build wealth. Not your salary, not your job title, your savings rate. So what do different savings rates actually mean for your retirement timeline? Here's what the numbers show. At 5%, you're looking at around 66 years of working. At 15%, that drops to 43 years. At 25%, you're down to 32 years. And at 50%, just 17 years. These figures assume a 7% average annual return, historically conservative for a diversified index fund portfolio, and the 4% safe withdrawal rate that decades of research supports. Here's what most finance videos miss. Your savings rate doesn't just grow your investment pot faster, it also shrinks the pot you need, because the more you save, the less you've been spending, which means you need less to live on in retirement. It's a double engine, more going in, less needed to get out. You don't need to start at 25% or 50%. Most people who build real wealth on ordinary incomes started somewhere between 3% and 8%. They just picked a number and improved it every single month, going from 5% to 8% cuts years off your timeline, going from 8% to 15% cuts a decade. There are only 3 levers you can pull: spend a little less, earn a little more, or invest what's left more efficiently. That's the whole game. Your savings rate is the scoreboard across all 3. Here's your action step, and this takes less than 2 minutes. Open your bank app, look at last month, add up everything you saved or invested. Divide by your total take-home income, multiply by 100. That number is your savings rate. Under 10%, you're moving, but slowly. Above 20%, you're ahead of most people. Above 30%, you're on a path most people don't even know exists. Wealth doesn't get built by accident. It gets built by ordinary people on ordinary incomes who know their number and move it in the right direction every single month. If this clicked for you, I've already made a full video on exactly how to do it. It's called Low-Pain Savings Ideas That Actually Work, and it's on this channel right now. Go watch it next. The link is in the description. And drop your savings rate number in the comments. Whatever it is, it's your starting point. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.